very good afternoon or very good evening. In case, welcome to Manchester. Local time is exactly the same as back in Portugal, so you do not need to reset your watches. Those in the cabin crew leaving their seats to perform some safety-related duties in the next few moments. So we kindly ask you please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off in the panel above your head, and the aircraft has come to a complete final stop in the parking position. You may now use your portable electronic devices, and please make sure you take all your personal belongings with you, checking in the seat pockets, underneath the seats and in the overhead lockers. Do take care opening the lockers, items may fall out to cause damage. Smoking is still not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area, which will be outside the terminal building. It has certainly been a pleasure to be at your service this afternoon or this evening, and we do hope to see you again in the very near future. From all of us, thank you very much for choosing to fly with EasyJet Europe. Have a safe honor journey to your final destination, and we sure hope you had indeed a beautiful stay in our lovely Algarve. Thank you and see you soon.